Hazrat Miswar bin Makhrama states that Hazrat Ali bin Abi Talib radiyallahu anhu proposed Abu Jahl's daughter, whereas he radiyallahu anhu had Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha with him as his wife. When Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha heard it, she came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. Your people say that you do not get offended for your daughters, and this is Ali who is going to marry Abu Jahl's daughter. Hazrat Miswar radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon got up, and I heard him when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited the article of testimony and said, to proceed, I married my daughter Hazrat Zainab radiyallahu anha to Abul As bin Rabi. Whatever he spoke to me, he spoke the truth. Undoubtedly, Fatima, Muhammad's daughter, is a part of my body, and I dislike it that the people should subject her to any trial. And undoubtedly, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the daughter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the daughter of an enemy of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will never combine in marriage with one person. Hazrat Miswar says, Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu then withdrew the marriage proposal. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6260.